Hi viewers! How often do you monitor your blood sugar levels? Have you ever wondered what goes on inside your body when your blood sugar goes through the roof? You might be thinking, don't really care, no big deal, but hold on to your hats. Some signs of high blood sugar can be sneaky with a dangerous surprise if ignored. So today, we're turning you into the ultimate health detective by understanding the top 10 alarming signs your blood sugar is too high. You can catch these signs early before it becomes a lifelong burden. Number 1. Thirst and frequent urination. Are you often feeling as thirsty as a camel in the desert? Are you making more trips to the bathroom than usual? Your body might be dropping hints that your blood sugar is on a roller coaster. When your blood sugar levels start to rise, it signals your kidneys to kick into high gear. The kidneys act diligently to clear out the surplus glucose from your bloodstream, resulting in excessive urination or polyuria. It's as if your body is on a sugar cleanse. However, suppose your kidneys can't keep up with the high demand and can't effectively balance your blood sugar levels. That extra sugar has no choice but to exit your body through your urine. In that case, a continuous stream of sugar and fluids leaves your system. All that frequent urination can even lead to dehydration, making you feel lightheaded or dizzy. Sometimes it may even cause extreme tiredness and weight loss. Number 2. Endless hunger. Ever experienced those moments when you've just devoured a hearty meal, but your stomach still seems to have a mind of its own, demanding more food? It's likely your body has hit the snooze button on the full signal with increasing blood sugar. When you eat, your body works its magic, converting that delicious food into glucose, the energy source for your cells. But with high blood sugar, there's a little hiccup in the system. Your cells don't entirely absorb the glucose correctly, leaving your body still craving that much-needed energy. The result? You constantly search for fuel in your body, and your stomach growls. It doesn't matter if you've just had a feast, your body is on a mission to keep up its energy levels. So if you're always hungry, it might be your body's way of telling you it's time to check those blood sugar levels. Number 3. Increased weight. I know we discussed something exactly opposite just a few minutes ago, but the converse is also true. The risk of type 2 diabetes goes up as your body packs on the pounds. The reasons behind this link are like solving a puzzle. It involves a mix of things happening inside your body. Your beta cells, which help control the sugar, might not work efficiently. Your fat tissue might get a little wonky, and there's something called insulin resistance, where your body doesn't respond to insulin as it should. The good news is it's not a one-way street. If you can shed those extra pounds through weight loss, you can help your body get back on track while managing high blood sugar. Are you learning something so far? Let us know by clicking the like and subscribe button if that is an affirmative nod. Number 4. Vision changes. Have you ever had a day when your eyes seem to be playing tricks on you, making everything look blurry? Although blurred vision can sneak up on anyone, its chances increase when your blood sugar levels are high. Now, the big question is, why does this happen? Well, there are a couple of suspects in this vision mystery. One culprit might be the lens in your eye, which can act up temporarily. But there's another potential troublemaker, the retina, a layer at the back of your eye. If it starts holding on to extra fluid and swells up, it's like a traffic jam for your vision, leading to what we call macular edema. Number 5. Sluggish wound recovery. High sugar can harm your nerves and blood flow, especially in your legs and feet, causing wounds to heal at a snail's pace. Your body's repair team might seem on a coffee break when it should be on the job. Even a tiny injury can become a playground for infections, and things can get serious really fast. In some cases, it can even lead to amputations, especially in the feet. But how do you spot trouble? Well, if you notice unusual stuff like your socks getting wet without reason or a not-so-pleasant smell, it might be a sign that your body's healing powers might have gone down due to high sugar levels. Number 6. Numb hands and feet. Doctors also call this condition diabetic neuropathy. It's basically nerve damage that happens when your blood sugar levels keep fluctuating endlessly. At first, you might feel weird sensations like tingling, pain, or weakness in your hands and feet. your nerves practically start sending out an SOS signal. But here's where it gets tricky. As it gets worse, it can mess with your ability to feel pain. You might not notice if something's hurting your hands or feet, putting you at risk for things like diabetic ulcers. Number 7. Bleeding gums. Red, puffy gums are no fun, right? But if you ignore it, things can escalate into something called periodontitis. Your saliva contains glucose, which is basically sugar. When there's too much sugar in the mix, it's like a feast for the bacteria in your mouth. They team up with your food, creating plaque and causing trouble, known as gum disease. Your gums could start pulling away from your teeth, pus or ulcers might show up, and you could even lose a tooth. So it's best to get that blood sugar under control and pay a visit to a nearby dentist. Number 8. Recurrent infections. High blood sugar can open the door to these pesky yeast infections. The main troublemaker is a fungus called Candida albicans. Yeast and bacteria love cozy spaces. When your body provides a warm and moist environment, they settle in and multiply. For the ladies, the symptoms can range from itching and redness to painful experiences during intimacy and urination. While yeast infections can happen to anyone, having more glucose in your blood puts you at a higher risk. Number 9. Skin changes. Your skin, too, might be hiding some cryptic messages, hinting that your insulin might be in a bit of a jam. Sometimes, especially if you're managing your weight with diabetes, you might notice tiny extra pieces of skin called skin tags. They like to hang out in skin creases. You might also spot dark, thick, soft patches on the back of your neck, hands, armpits, or even your face. But the skin doesn't stop there. Blisters, infections, dry spells, the itchiness bug, odd discolorations, or any skin changes can all be hints that your blood sugar's on a wild ride. Number 10. Inability to concentrate. Picture insulin as the bouncer at the sugar club in your body. Its job is to get sugar into the cells. But when sugar gets denied entry, it parties in your blood, causing high blood sugar. It messes with your blood vessels, slowing down the party in your brain and leading to brain fog. Sugar can invite too many brain chemicals like serotonin and neurotransmitters. They're usually the life of the party in your brain, but an overdose turns into chaos. This excess can harm brain cells and nerves and cause brain inflammation, resulting in memory issues and brain fog. Have you ever experienced any of these health signals? Share your thoughts in the comments below. You can also watch our other health and nutrition related videos to know more. We'll see you there.